Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Droid Wisdom channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you just how to scan a QR code or a barcode with your Android phone's camera. But before that, I will take you to my PC screen and show you how to create a QR code from a web page, which you can actually share with your friend, a colleague at work, or whomever that you wish to. So after that, I will show you some of the best ways to check if your Android phone has the capability to perform the task of scanning a QR code natively. If not, I will recommend some of the best QR code scanning applications. Then lastly, I will show you how to scan a QR code from an image that's been sent to you without your Android phone's camera. So all of this I'm going to show you in this video tutorial. So grab a cup of coffee and come along as I walk you through this process. So let's dive in. First, let me take you to my Chrome where I have opened a web page I want to share with my friend. So it's about men's health. Yours could be something different, it could be anything, but the goal is to show you how to actually generate a QR code for the page. So to generate a QR code for this web page, simply right click and over to this option that says create QR code for this web page, then click on it and boom, it's been created. So it's just that straightforward, it doesn't take time. So right here you see this URL that's accompanying this QR code. It's the same as this very URL here. So every single information on this very page is contained in this QR code. So you can actually go ahead and download it after you've created this QR code. Download it to your PC and share it with whomever you want to share it with. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and download right here. So I'm going to download to my PC and I'm going to send this to my phone, then send to my friend. So I'm going to take you to my Android phone right now to show you how to check if your camera has the capability of scanning a QR code natively. So let's go. So here on my Android, I'm going to show you how to check if your Android phone's camera can actually perform the task of scanning a QR code. So to do that, let me show you the first method. Slide down the notification panel from top of your screen and over to this gear icon, then to access the settings menu. So here on my settings page, I'm going to scroll all the way down. Okay, it's already, so I'm going to scroll all the way down and locate about phone. So I'm going to open about phone. Here on the about phone page, I'm going to go to software information. So here are all the informations contained in on the software information page. So what I'm looking at is this Android version. If you have anything less than 13, it means your phone is most likely not going to scan a QR code natively. But from version 13 and above, you can do that. You can scan natively. So let me take you to the second method. The second method is actually pointing your phone's camera to a QR code. So I'm going to point it at the QR code that I've generated from the web page I showed you earlier on my PC. So I'm going to point it at that QR code and see what happens. So let's go. So right here on my PC, I'm going to turn on my camera and point it at the QR code. So right here, I just turned on my camera and automatically it has detected the QR code, and you can see on the screen the link is already generated. So let me move it. I've moved it aside. Now let me point it again so you can see the link on the screen. It means that automatically and natively it can detect a QR code. So this is the second method. You can actually check and know for sure that your phone's camera can actually scan a QR code. So what I'm going to do now is to access the same information on my screen. So let me tap on the link. So right here on my screen, as you can see, I've been able to access the same information I have on my PC screen right here on my Android phone. So these are the two ways you can actually check if your Android phone can scan a QR code natively. So I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code from an image or a photo that contains a QR code. I mean, if you've been sent, let's assume you are my friend that I just sent a QR code I generated from the web page I just showed you on my PC, and you want to access the information contained in the QR code. So how do you go about it? That's exactly what I'm going to show you. So to do that, I'm going to go to my file manager. So right here is my file manager in this folder. So I'm going to open my file manager, and I just sent the QR code from my PC to my phone. So remember, it's an image, so that's why I'm coming to the image folder. So here I'm going to open, and here is the last file that I just sent to my device. So I'm going to tap on it to open, and right here there is a particular function missing. So what I'm going to do is to come to these three dots right here, and I'm going to tap on it, then open with, tap on open with, and here is what I'm looking for, Photos app. So I'm going to open it with Photos app, and I'll tell you the reason why I'm going for Photos app just once. Okay, so I've been able to open with Photos app now right here in Photos app, I'm looking for this very feature, lens. This lens is what I need to scan this very QR code. So ordinarily, if I don't have access to this very lens, I won't be able to scan this QR code, because I've tried other methods and it didn't really work perfectly. So but when I tried using lens, it worked for me. So click on lens and watch how it's going to perform its job perfectly. So now it's been able to pull this link from the QR code. So I'm going to click on the link, and right here is the same information, the same article that I showed you a few minutes ago on my PC. I've been able to access the same information here. So I could do this because I opened the QR code with my Photos app and used the lens feature that it has. That is the only reason why I could scan the QR code. So take note of that. So let me show you some of the best applications with which you can scan a QR code on your Android device. For me, the top choice third-party application for scanning a QR code is the dock scanner. So right here I have my dock scanner on my Android phone, so I'm going to take you to my dock scanner right here. So here is my dock scanner. You can actually use it to do some other things, edit PDF files, and do a lot of other things, but it's also top choice application for scanning a QR code for me. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So come to the top where you have all these tools, and navigate to you see QR code scanner. So for this, I'm going to show you, I'm going to point the scanner at the QR code that I've just created on my PC, just for you to see how I use it to scan. So I'm going to open it, so only this time. Okay, so right here, wow, it's been able to pull the URL. So all I'm going to do now is to open URL. So I'm going to click on open URL, and right here on my Android phone screen, I've been able to access the same article. So it's just that easy. I mean, with this very app, you can still do the same thing that your phone's camera can do. I mean, if your phone is lacking that feature of scanning QR code natively, you can actually do the same with this very app. And remember that you can download this very app from the Google Play Store. So the next application for me is QR and barcode scanner by Gamma Play. This is a highly rated application known for its fast and accurate scanning. This application also supports both QR codes and barcodes, making it a versatile tool for various applications. It also offers features like flashlight support for low scanning and the ability to generate your own QR code. So you can do all of this with this app. Another excellent option is QR code reader by Scan Inc. This application boasts a user-friendly interface and reliable performance. It's designed to be lightweight and fast, ensuring a smooth scanning experience. It can read all standard QR code and barcode formats, and even store a history of scanned codes for easy reference. Additionally, the application also provides a built-in browser for opening scanned URLs directly within the app, which enhances convenience and security. So with this app, you can actually do a lot. So this third application for me. Then for those seeking advanced features, This very fourth one is for you, and the name is QR and Barcode Scanner by TCAPS. This is another excellent application. This app not only scans QR code and barcode but also offers additional functionalities such as product search, price comparison, and the ability to create customized QR code. It also supports various data types including URLs, contact information, and Wi-Fi credentials, making it a comprehensive tool for both personal and professional use. So all of these, these 4 applications, you can scan any QR code or barcode you come across. So I'll be wrapping it up on this. If this is your first time to this channel, please do well to subscribe, as I'll be dropping more valuable videos like this. Subscribe, share, like the video, share it with your friends. I know that a lot of your friends will like my videos, so please share. Thank you for watching, and do well to explore other video contents on the channel. Bye for now.